Disney Plus has posted 20 essential episodes for you to watch in preparation of Season 7. These episodes may not be the best episodes or your favorites. We all have different tastes, so we like different episodes. But the reason I wanted to mention it is because they have posted these episodes for a reason, to give you insight and preparation for Season 7. So let's take a look at the 20 episodes. Season 1, Episode 1, Ambush. Yoda leads 3 clone troopers against a droid army. Season 1, Episode 5, Rookies. Rookie clones must fend for themselves against an invasion. Season 2, Episode 5, Landing at Point Rain. Anakin, Ahsoka, and Ki-Adi-Mundi seek to destroy a droid factory. Season 2, Episode 6, Weapons Factory. Luminara and Anakin act as decoys to divert enemy super tanks. Season 2, Episode 7, Legacy of Terror. Obi-Wan and Anakin lead a search for Luminara. Season 2, Episode 8, Brain Invaders. Ahsoka and Barriss must stop the unleashing of a deadly plague. Season 2, Episode 12, The Mandalore Plot. Obi-Wan uncovers the truth about the Mandalore Plot. Season 2, Episode 13, Voyage of Temptation. Anakin discovers Obi-Wan and the Duchess's history together. Season 3, Episode 2, ARC Troopers. Anakin Skywalker and Obi-Wan Kenobi hurry to defend Kamino. Season 4, Episode 21, Brothers. Savage Opress continues his quest to find Darth Maul. Season 4, Episode 22, Revenge. Savage and Darth Maul unite to seek revenge against Obi-Wan. Season 5, Episode 1, Revival. Maul and Savage forcibly recruit pirates to their cause. Season 5, Episode 6, The Gathering. Jedi younglings undergo a rite of passage. Season 5, Episode 14, Eminence. The Sith's ally with the Death Watch that targets Obi-Wan Kenobi. Season 5, Episode 15, Shades of Reason. The Sith and Death Watch launch an attack on Mandalore. Season 5, Episode 16, The Lawless. Using Duchess Satine, Darth Maul lures Obi-Wan into a trap. Season 5, Episode 17, Sabotage. Anakin and Ahsoka investigate a bombing at the Jedi Temple. Season 5, Episode 18, The Jedi Who Knew Too Much. Ahsoka finds herself running out of allies and alternatives. Season 5, Episode 19, To Catch a Jedi. The fugitive Ahsoka escapes to Coruscant. And last but not least, Season 5, Episode 20, The Wrong Jedi. On trial for murder, Ahsoka is expelled from the Jedi Order. What we can surmise from all of this, it's going to be clone heavy, Mandalore heavy, Darth Maul heavy, and naturally, the Ahsoka show. This is all great stuff. I look forward to it. The information that I have is that Season 7 of the Clone Wars will be 12 episodes, beginning on Friday, February 21st. They should be once a week, so every Friday we'll get a new episode. The trailer made it look really nice. Hopefully they do a good job. And as we can see, it will be very much revolving around Ahsoka, which is very cool. I, like pretty much everyone else, loves Ahsoka, unless your name is John Campea. Catching up on all the seasons would take a long time, so take advantage of this list, watch those 20 episodes, and it should give you a good prep for what's coming in just a couple weeks here. I will, of course, do reviews of all the episodes of Season 7, and I look forward to seeing what they come up with to close out the Clone Wars. Please like, subscribe, and comment on the video. May the Force be with you.